goes from black to blonde hair yearly. My hair isn't looking that bad. Hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new, if you're not, hi. Today I'm bringing you another hair video. It's kind of what I do. It's kind of all I do, really. It's kind of a bit of a new thing, or not really a new thing, but kind of like an old thing because I haven't done it in a long time. And that is because today we're gonna be working with extensions. So today I'm actually working with a brand new brand called Kriya, whatever. They reached out to me and they're like, hello, do you want to dye our extensions? And I'm like, oh, with pleasure. This is what it is. I really love the packaging. By the way, it's very simple. First of all, it's very simple, but the best part is, I don't know, simple things like this really get to me. They have all the natural shades of hair, by the way, but my hair is always some weird bizarre color, so I requested they send me blonde so that I could dye it, and that is what I'm gonna be doing today. I haven't worked with extensions in a really long time, so I'm kind of happy to be going back in with them. So I am going to be putting the same dyes onto the extensions that I did for the last color, because I know that underneath this, and as I could see, you know, I could see that I've got slight, very slight purple tones. I know that underneath this I had burgundy, which is why it's not a pure ash. It's got almost like a purple undertone to it. I am going to add a bit of 577 intense light violet chestnut. That is so that it could sort of even out the like super ashiness from it. Everything is going to be down in the description box below. Do check out their stuff. I could feel immediately that their extensions are really nice and everything, so check out their website and everything, and also their colors. So let's get dyeing! Hello everybody, it's the next day now. All my extensions are done and dry and everything, and it's time to put them in and style them and wear them and kind of rock them. I did not use any heat on them to dry them. I literally, you know, I hung them up to dry. But I do notice just a slight difference from this color to this. But I'm gonna make it work. You just watch. You know, the color mismatch is my own fault. These are obviously real human haired extensions, so I am going to be using heat on them, which is pretty cool because they're quite a frizzy in their natural state. Cute, let's start. I know you're gonna be alright. You wanna make your way in this crazy world. Step up, girl, you got what it takes. They always say don't make waves. Don't you listen? No. You gotta speak up. You gotta dare and speak your mind. You gotta get loud, or you'll always be behind. Cause girl, you gotta let them know that you mean it. Cause girl, you gotta let them know to keep those hands away from you. So, girlfriend, you gotta get. Okay, so I've got the extensions in and they feel heavenly. I'm really like a bit like pissed at myself that I didn't get the exact color, because I would wear them as is. They feel so good and so, oh, it's so thick. Look at this. I've got like a proper, like, could grab someone from their hair. I'm going to show you like 3 different hairstyles that I'm gonna do on my hair. Like, they don't match and I'm gonna make them match. I want to make them look good. Okay, so just keep watching, and we can do this. So we could so do this. These are 3 easy hairstyles, like really easy, but foolproof hairstyles that you could do if you've got, you know, extensions that maybe you haven't worn in a while, or maybe, you know, your color is faded, or you just want to, you know, try different hairstyles. As I said, the extensions themselves were by Korea. They're fantastic extensions, really affordable, and they're just amazing. If you do order them, everything's going to be on the inside of this box, so you can see how to take care of your extensions and everything when you receive the extensions. But yes, I'm going to link them down in the description box below. Click the link below, you can see and find everything that they have. I'm curious though how Ariana Grande does it, because I can't stay with extensions on a ponytail for more than like 2 hours. Cool, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll give it a go, and I will see you in my next